Hello, beautiful people. New day, new vlog. Well, we are heading to buy furniture for our new apartment. What a sunny day. Look who's here with me. This city has its own charm. Tall buildings, beautiful sunset, and a spontaneous long drive. Still a long way to go. Usual Mumbai traffic. No one can beat that. By the way, have you ever tried the classic combination of chana mungfali? Oh, this is just us. Ignore it. Do you also have a sibling who always does exact opposite of what you ask him to do? Or is it just me? And finally, after almost 2 hours of travel, we reached. I don't know, he's excited or confused. Still figuring out where to go. But before that, hunger kicks in. Oops, that's because I got so excited about the food. Let me tell you a secret. If you offer me desserts, we can be good friends. Okay, let's move forward. Just ignore him. So finally, my search begins. But this is all so confusing. Not bad. Oh wait, price tag, bro. How could you forget to check that? Finally, this is what I was looking for. Comfy, not so comfy. Chuck it. Now a nice spacious cupboard and bed for my room. And here is our camera person. Have you ever been to such a huge store? Honestly, this is my first time. Anyway, let's explore further. Okay, on a serious note, I have a question for you guys. Have you ever encountered someone who washes his hands without water? Oh wait, there he is. Good job, huh? He's not going to leave a single thing. By the way, how pretty it all looks. Now let's see some mattresses. Not bad. Curtains are so beautiful. Oh, that's just me grooving to the music playing in the store. And cut. Now his turn. Okay, we are done for the day. Here comes the billing counter. He looks so excited. And then his excitement disappeared because I made him pay. But it's very easy to please him. A slice of pizza with a cup of coffee. And he forgets about all his misery. Here we go! What a beautiful day. Thank you for being there, guys. I'm gonna see you all soon in my next YouTube video. Till then, please take care, stay safe, and I love you guys. Bye!